So as our team says, we're gonna be doing our Oprah Winfrey inspired look, and of course we're gonna be doing this in an affordable way. So I've gone ahead to prep some for you to see how the hair comes out, and we're gonna be using our skewy sticks to make them look like that. So we're using stretch braid from Spectra today. I love Spectra so much. I mean, it's very easy to use, and I'll be using our skewy sticks, hair pomade, hair bands, and a brush just to comb our hair very smooth. So what I realized from the previous ones I did is that I needed to add more of the hair pomade. So if you don't have this type of hair pomade, you can use your Vaseline blue hair jam, any sort of pomade to keep your hair soft and shiny. So what I did came out really soft, and it feels like human hair to my surprise. So that's all we're basically going to be doing. So we'll start by brushing the hair, of course, and then we're going to wrap in a spring form on the skewy sticks, right? And then we will hold them tight with the hairbands. So please do watch my hands as I prep them. It's very simple and easy, but it's very time consuming. So I tend to do this whilst I'm watching my movie or my leisure time. And you can ask your kids, your friends, your husband, anybody around to help. It's very, very easy technique. So please do stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe, share, and like. Hit the notification button to be notified every time I upload a new video. And if you have any tutorial requests you want to, request or ask, you can comment below so we can, do it together. So guys, we're gonna be dipping our hair in hot water, and I'll be adding some hair conditioner. You can use any of your preference, but I use Cream of Nature hair conditioner. That's what I've got available. So yeah, we're gonna soak them in hot water for a little bit, and I'll take them out, rinse it, and leave it to air dry. You can as well go ahead with hair dryer to dry it if you need them instantly, but I left them to air dry. So that's basically all we're going to be doing, and this is the end results. These are ones I've already opened, so I'm going to show you how it comes out when it's not opened. So it depends on what style you're doing. You can leave it just like it is, or you can open them and do the style we're going to be doing very shortly. I'm gonna show you how I open them so they don't get messy. You can start by stretching, because of the start we're doing Oprah Winfrey inspired look. I'm gonna be stretching. I don't need much of deep curls, so I'm gonna be stretching, but this is how I got my hand on them. I honestly experimented from the first batch I did, and this was the easiest way to do it, so you can attempt to do the same. So here we are, the end results. This is just 2 bundles I managed to shop for you guys. I'm going to be using 4 of these. Because when we talk of Oprah Winfrey look, it is full hair. So I'm going to be adding as much as I've got. And I've gone ahead to crochet on my distress cornrow. My cornrow is one of the not nicest cornrows. I'll be uploading a full video tutorial how to cornrow and also how to crochet. So with this crochet, because it's already curly hair, very deep curl hair, it's not going to be obvious the patterns, and I don't even need patterns. So I left some hair, my natural hair, on the front to cover up and to make it mimic the look of Oprah. So I'm not doing anything special, just normal crochet and a knot, not too many, not just one knot, and that's basically it. Please do enjoy the background music. guys, I went ahead to fill the middle part. It looked, I mean, you know, not too big. So I added a little bit more just to close up and also to give more volume on the top. To make this video short, I couldn't just break that in, and I'm gonna blend my natural hair, you know, into the hair extensions with got to be glue just to mimic the look, right guys? So I went in with my edge brush just to brush and tame everything down, and wrapped on with a hairband just to dry it up, and voila guys, the end result, the Oprah Winfrey look. And of course it won't be perfect with some glasses, guys. I had so much fun doing this, and yeah, I got myself a book as well because she loves books and I love her.